how to change background on Wix. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to site design, and as you can see here you have a color theme. So you can simply change the base color. So as you can see we have white, and we can simply change to whatever color we want, and then simply click on apply, and basically that's all you have to do in order to change background on Wix. So this is if you want to change the background color. Now if you want, you can also change the page background, and you can simply add a photo if you want to do that. So as you can see, you can upload your own image, you can upload your video, or you can simply choose a color. So basically that's all you have to do. Now don't forget to simply click on apply to other pages if you want to have this background to the entire website. Now if you want to have this to a specific page, you're gonna have to simply leave it like this. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.